The garage door, the largest moving object in the house, standing over 7 feet tall and weighing in at 300 plus pounds. This instrument of destruction and carnage is often challenged. In 1993, federal law required all garage door openers manufactured to have advanced safety features which comply with the latest UL 325 standards. We removed those parts. We answer the challenge to determine, will it bust? Oh! That's a baby's head. Oh!
Nice.
Ron, you want some watermelon? Come on. I thought that was pretty funny.
I can't believe it touched that. I can't believe it touched It was a shame the camera was on this side.
Yeah, no.
On the other side.
Kick back. Force you to stop.